Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I am going to show you how can you delete a Bereal after you posted it. So at first just go to the Bereal app. Now into the Bereal app, go to the post that you want to delete. Now just click on the top right three dot icon here. Now here you can see the last option is delete my Bereal. Click on it. Now you can just select a reason that why you want to delete it. Just select the first reason. I don't like my Bereal. Now just click the last option here. Yes, I'm sure. Now click on delete, the red one, and here you can see you have just deleted your posted Bereal. So guys, that's how you can delete a posted Bereal. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.